Making an observation room, also known as an interrogation room, requires careful planning and setup. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to correctly set up an observation room, the features you'll need, and the types of two-way mirror that will best fit your project. Hi, I'm Krista, mirror geek with Two-Way Mirrors. Every week we bring you new videos based on our experience manufacturing optical glass and mirrors. Hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to our latest guides, and take a moment right now to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're looking to make a professional level observation room and want to save a ton of time on your project, you're going to love this video. To make an observation room, you need a two-way mirror, also known as a one-way mirror. This allows you to observe the subject without being seen yourself. It is a transparent mirror that creates the illusion of a regular mirror with proper lighting and installation. I'm going to take you through every aspect of creating an observation room so that your installation is a complete success. In order for a two-way mirror to work for observation, you need to control the lighting in the two rooms. The observation side must be darker than the subject side. I recommend a 1:8 light to dark ratio for the best result. For example, if it is going into a patient door window and the observer is in the hallway, it is very difficult to make that area darker compared to the patient room lighting. To control the lighting, additional lights are added to the side being observed, and dimmable lights are used on the observation side. For a room which has already been built, special lighting covers can be used over current light bulbs and fixtures to reduce the light level. This particular problem may also lead you to pick a specific kind of two-way mirror that I'll get into later in this video. On the side being observed, there are often hidden microphones which connect to an amp and headphones in the observation area. In some installations, the observer needs to talk without being heard. In those installations, insulated glass units known as IGUs are used to block the sound from passing through the mirror. The most popular soundproof glass we sell is 1 inch thick with an STC rating of 35. It's composed of a glass two-way mirror, clear glass, and a 1/2 inch of space between them. An STC rating of 35 means that speech is not recognizable through the glass, which is ideal for observation room settings. There are so many different configurations available for soundproofing, it's impossible to list them all. If you need a specific STC rating, shoot me an email and we will go over our best available options. Observation rooms are commonly used in a surprising number of industries. For instance, retail security. A manager's office room can observe customers and staff through the windows. Police interrogation rooms. Just like in the movies, officers can stand outside the room and discuss the case and strategies for questioning subjects. Interrogation rooms may also be used for police lineups to protect the identity of the victim while pointing out the criminal. Jails and prisons also use two-way mirrors in areas that need to be secure, so the guards can work safely without being observed. They are also used in prisoners' windows so that the two prisoners in the opposite cells can't collaborate with each other and escape. Casinos use observation rooms adjacent to the casino floor, as well as two-way mirrors in the ceiling to allow a full view of the action. Safe rooms, also known as panic rooms, are fortified rooms installed in a home to provide safe shelter in case of a robbery attack or even a natural disaster. They're especially popular with celebrities, politicians, and other elite to provide peace of mind. Candid camera TV shows such as Big Brother and Couples Therapy use observation rooms for filming contestants through the mirrors. The contestants never know when they're being watched, which adds to the realism of the show. Schools and daycares often install two-way mirrors on their doors and windows to provide additional privacy, security, and also allow parents to observe their children without disturbing them. Clinical psychologists use observation rooms to take notes while families or young children are interacting. By being in a separate room, it allows the patients being observed to relax and act normally. Nursing specialists use observation rooms to offer increased privacy to new moms while they're practicing. This allows the specialist to coach them without making them feel uncomfortable. Museum exhibits, such as Ripley's, install two-way mirrors between rooms so that other people can watch them making funny faces. Observation rooms are often used for scientific observation on animals, so the animals are undisturbed and can act naturally. Zoos also put two-way mirrors on animal cages so they're not disturbed by the visitors. Beehive exhibits exhibits that use two-way mirrors can be transported so the bees don't get overwhelmed by all of the activity outside the hive. Now, I'm going to take you through the best options for two-way mirrors used for observation rooms. First up is the glass two-way mirror. Glass two-way mirrors are the best choice for observation rooms because they're highly directional, which makes it harder to see through on the mirror side. For added safety, it can be tempered, which increases the strength tenfold. Glass can also be manufactured as a soundproof, insulated unit for additional privacy. For maximum safety and recording clarity, higher transparency mirrors such as the acrylic two-way mirrors can be used. When recording through the mirror, it offers increased visual clarity through the mirror. Acrylic is also virtually shatterproof. The acrylic is more transparent, so you'll need the observation side to be nearly pitch black to ensure the privacy. One-way mirror film is a cheap way to add privacy to a window that's already installed. While it's not as reflective, it's inexpensive and can cover large windows quickly. For new constructions, we recommend the glass two-way mirror instead for maximum privacy. One-way mirror film can be purchased as a 4mm safety film, which adds shatter protection. Safety one-way mirror film is for rooms that already have a window installed. It makes a simple alternative to purchasing tempered or laminated windows. If you're looking for a two-way mirror, we're glad to help you on twoWayMirrors.com. Our team is standing by to answer any questions and issue quotes with lightning speed. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or shoot me an email. That takes you through my observation room guide. I've left a ton of additional information down below, which goes into more detail. If you're looking to go see some observation rooms in action, I've made you a playlist of videos down below as well. Until next time, I'm Krista with Two Way Mirrors, and I will see you in my next video.